Meaning of growth ring.
Growth ring.
Growth ring.
Growth ring.
Growth ring. A growth ring is a layer of wood that appears in the stem or trunk of a tree. It forms as a result of the annual growth cycle of the tree, with a new layer being added each year. The age of a tree can be determined by counting the number of growth rings present in its trunk. The thickness of each ring also provides clues about how favorable the growing conditions were during that particular year. Scientists use growth rings to study past climates and to understand how forests respond to environmental changes.